All right, our modification today on the Lexus LS430 2001 is, yes, what is it, Amy?
We are going to put in our child seat. Hopefully it goes smoothly because it's very cold outside. As you can see, I've laid down a towel. This is a must do, especially with kids. So we're going to put the child seat in.
Love the neighbor's dog in the background. All right.
Okay, so it does come with the hooks, of course. So find the hook.
Finding the hook is the hard part.
Finding the hook is the hard part. I feel it. There we go. There's one.
There's one. How'd it go? All right. And that's the misery that she's talking about for cold. All right.
You see my breath?
Yes.
That's how cold it is. So you have to do this pretty quickly or your fingers freeze. And of course, it's not long enough, so I need to extend.
No.
And this is the part that's not fun, and of course it does not want to extend. So let's see if I can get it. My fingers are actually starting to freeze. I can't feel the tips of my fingers right now. And this is where
you start swearing,
I start swearing, but I'm going to choose not to be explicit for the video.
You're a mom, right?
I'm a mom, I don't swear. Okay, let's see. Okay, I can't feel it anymore. This is so ridiculous.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to stop the video and you're going to extend it and then we'll try it again. Right?
Well, I don't know if it will extend anymore. That's the thing. It's just that in these Lexus LS430s, they have it so far back, the hooks, compared to other vehicles that we have put this car seat in. So I don't know why that is, but
it is.
It makes it extra challenging. Many things I love about this car, but that is not one of them.
Yes. Child seats are the most frustrating thing.
Okay, yeah, let's take a pause before I swear.
All right. Okay, we got it in. I had to do it.
You got it in.
What I had to do was turn it upside down, as in the open part of the clip is now facing upwards instead of downwards. So, two things to know. One, don't do it when it's so cold you can see your breath. And then, you may have to change the clip and where it goes. The towel underneath is for saving the seat. It's obviously we're gonna have to change that in because you're not covered in the seat, but we'll figure out something. Just saves the leather on it. I noticed after not having it last time that that was really tough. But child seats are not made for people to actually put in and out. At least not in most cars that I've ever been in. They are the biggest royal pain ever. All right, and the reason for the towel underneath is to try and save the leather and just the disgusting ick that is children eating in your car. And if you think you can get away without children eating in your car, you crazy. At least when they're 2 years old. If you like that screaming in your ear, you go for it. All right, and that's it. It's in. Now it's just making it pretty. A final note, you'll want to get into this thing here too. This is where the top strap goes. I'll get that for you. This is it right here. So it hooks into this right there, if you can see that, and then you tighten it up from there, and that's the third hook. Anyways, when you've got a family, that's how you modify an LS430.